A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Put a like, leave a comment. Make we get straight into this. Guys, me have a video to play for now. Then, this not an allege. This a real thing. Alright? And I also have a Jamaican guy who say him vote for Donald Trump and he love Trump do. Down in the video, but I start the video with this. Alright, I start the video with this. The lady said she go to a Jamaican restaurant and the lady serve her bun up rice and something and she never like it. She talk about it and she and the girl getting a verbal altercation. And guess what the girl, the guy? Not I shouldn't say girl, guess what the lady do? She said she called Ice and the Jamaican girl in the restaurant. Can you believe that? Me I talk too much? Me I beg you a favor, like this video. But I might not like it for the person tonight, but like it for me so it can reach more people. Alright, because we have to spread the word. I'm going to listen to this.
Yeah, I called ICE on somebody. This Jamaican lady, she has this restaurant. I can't tell you what town it's in, but very nasty attitude. I went in to buy a dinner about 3 weeks ago, and she gave me some burnt up rice. Now, I paid about $27 for this dinner, and I had 2 side orders. She gave me some burned up rice and some nasty piece of chicken. The chicken tastes rotten. Now, when I got to my car and opened up the meal, the container was stinking. Okay, that's how rotten the food was. So I went inside and politely asked her for another plate because the food was not adequate. And I told her what was wrong with the food. So she got very loud, very nasty, very nasty lady. Instead of just taking the food back, making me another plate, I didn't eat it, hardly anything out of it. Instead of her being a nice business owner, making the customer happy, she decides to curse me out like a dog. Her attitude was so nasty, very nasty. So I already figured she was in this country illegally because she has this heavy accent. I can tell. I knew that she was here illegally, her and her husband. And I'm saying if you're going to be here illegally in this country, you can at least be humble about it, okay? And be nice to people. Because people can call ICE on you like I did her ass. So what ended up happening is she refused to give me another dinner. So I ended up losing my money. But I'm not the type of person to argue with people or anything like that. So I just took it as a loss. I said never again. But anyway, I got angry about it when I went home. I thought about it. So I called the ICE hotline. Now, I have never done this to anybody. There's a lot of people I could do this to. But I don't have a reason to call ICE on people if they're nice to me and they're doing what they're supposed to do. I have no reason to do that to anybody, but this woman was so nasty to me. I just had to get her. So I called the ICE hotline. And I told them that there are some illegal Jamaican people at this location working in a restaurant. Guess what happened? Now, that was 3 weeks ago. I drove by there today, and they are no longer there. No longer there. So I just happened to ask this man that was in the business right next to this Jamaican spot. I asked him, I said, what happened to that Jamaican restaurant that was right next door to your business? And he said, oh, a bunch of ICE agents came in there last week and, they were illegal here and they got deported. That's what happened. So I was thinking, okay, all right, thank you. And I'm thinking to myself, yeah, see, that's what you get for being nasty to people. So if you were in this country illegally, you better be humble and you better be grateful and you better be respectful towards Americans. That's all I'm going to say to you. Because the same thing can happen to you. All you got to do is get on that phone and call that ICE hotline number. Okay? It's on Google. And they will come there and they will investigate. But she got what she deserved, just being nasty. She didn't have to be nasty to me like that. But I got her ass. So, good riddance.
Alright guys, and this is not a joke matter. This is a video where I circulate on the social media. For somebody rightfully call out somebody and say, yes, me call eyes upon them. You must know, say. And you hear she say, you have to tread caution. So, I want people to be careful of some of these persons who you affiliate with. You hear me want to know. Because sometimes when them know no status and know certain things about it can come back to haunt at this time once you know not straight, not no friend. Stay tuned. I can see some reaction to the video. And remember the single link up in the last part. I can continue watch.
Guys, have you heard about the woman who bought a Jamaican food from a Jamaican restaurant, and just because she didn't like the quality of the food, she decided to call ICE on the people? She said, oh, they had a heavy accent. The woman had a heavy accent in the back of the restaurant. So because she had a heavy accent, that is the reason why she decided to call ICE. Now, because you don't like the food and you don't like the quality, which is only $27, you think a woman's life or whatever that woman is going through at the restaurant is equated to $27. Are you telling me you couldn't just leave a bad review and just let it stay where it's at? That tells me that sometimes the people that you see, and I'm sure that's not the first time she went to that restaurant. I'm sure she's a consistent customer. But sometimes jealousy, because of jealousy, and people are not progressing in their life and they see that you're doing a business, they want to bring you down. And that, for me, is to tell everyone out there who's in a situation where they're not straight and they're out there, be careful of the very people that are around you, the very people that's been associating themselves with you, because they are the very people that's going to bring you down. It means that you cannot trust, not even your customers. Don't trust them.
This lady in that picture claimed that she called ICE agent and a couple that owns a restaurant, simply because she spent $27 and she was not satisfied with the food. She returned it and she gets some attitude. And based off of the attitude, and of course she measured them every accent and assumed that they were not so straight, and she called ICE agent. However, she went back a couple weeks later. The establishment was closed, and her curious mind led her to the gentleman that had the store next door, and he told her that a bunch of ICE agents came there and pick up the family and take them away. So I guess that lady, if it is true, that lady is on her way to be deported or returned to Jamaica. Now, to this lady, remember I said, karma of a way where you work, you see? Because I think, honestly, it was the crime, that was committed, the punishment was too excessive for it. I think probably you could have dealt with it a different way. But then if the $27 mean that much to you, I guess you react accordingly. But I want to also say to the lady, the owner of the establishment, if it is true that you had mistreated this lady because of her $27, knowing your condition, that you're not straight, you live in a glass house, you cannot throw stone, sister. So even though I sympathize with you, I'm also gonna touch you a little bit, because sometimes with a chill, especially if we know our situation. And when you look at it, I guess the $27 has equal value to both of them. Because while one of that says she could have walked away with and leave with $27, go be the loser at $27. The owner of the establishment could have returned the $27 and be the loser after $27 same way. But she held on to it and apparently give her some attitude. And that's what subsequently lead to it. I am saying, if we know our status some of the time, You know, we know so we're not so straight. We can't too bold and bad. We live in a critical time right now. And, you know, you have people have different values and things and money and all of that. And so it's not uncommon that one would have overreact, you know, when treated a certain way. Again, I sympathize with the lady, but I'm just trying to split the difference here, which there's no difference really for me to split, because the two of them, you know, was holding on to this $27 and make the thing go too far. Live in a glass house, you can't throw a stone. The other lady to you, come have a way. Let me know what you have to say in the comment.
Boy, I mean, tell her, some people are going to look upon it, say she should have shown her attitude and take her money. Some are going to say the other girl, wicked kind of idea, she has somebody of color. You know, comment below and let me know what you think now. And flood the like section for me. Tell me what you think. You agree with the lady? Or what you think this could have resolved? Or this is how these type of people stay. Once things not go for them way, then they are very vicious, I should think. Alright, now I use one incident to judge everybody, but just saying. Jaja, the struggle is real. Welcome to America. Right, guys? Anyway, I don't know me I got up on the phone, the guy. He was the one who called me when Trump win and he said he was a pro-Trump voter. I got him on the phone and hear him and say, I'm always call me and give me some update to the how him feel Trump are going and them something there. Because he vote for him as a Jamaican. Alright, we could play that and then we'll go on a live show further down in a video with the singles them. I could listen. You still regret your vote, say you vote for Trump?
No, man, I'm not regret that, brother. Nobody never force me to do it, man. I do it off of my one free will, man. What you talking to me, brother? Oh, man. Not change, man. And not change that way, man. There wasn't the program before, you know, enforce it. So, I don't have nothing to say about what I do, man. I do an excellent job as far as I'm concerned.
Wow.
Just like in Jamaica, you have to weed out the rotten egg them, you know. Weed out the bad weed them.
So you're not sorry for your fellow Jamaican if you hide from ice and things like that?
Listen, why would I sorry for a person who you know the right and you do the wrong? So why should I? I don't condone them something, man. It's a principle, man, you know, man. All right, if that come like you have a kid and you see the fire there, so I say, don't put your hand by the fire. When you put your hand by it, say, Lord God, it burn me. The fire burn me. When was that fire before?
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I said, brother?
Mm-hmm.
We don't have nothing to say about it. The man I run him country, I film country. If you don't like it, you get out. If me not like it, I me not like when I do, me get out too. If the heat like kitchen hot, I have to come out of kitchen, you know.
Simple as that.
As simple as that, my brother. Either just come like you have a woman and you have a one relationship. If you see say you pull one side and she pull one side, that's why you have to left it, what it?
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna make nobody care, you know. Mm-hmm. So if you want to come here and go on the wrong thing, you go on the wrong thing.
Say about midterms too?
Eh?
When midterms come, you vote?
Of course we are doing everything.
Oh, we are going to vote.
I'm right that, you know, I have to exercise my rights, you know, man.
So we are going to vote for this time?
Like who?
No, we say when the midterms come, you vote for, he said them Republican.
Of course, man. They don't must not me do. Me not go change. Yo,
I want senator for your state.
Where you man name again, the man? How could I wear Uban name? I don't know about them.
Yeah, Republican?
Yeah, was Republican, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But me no, all right, let me say something. Me's not a one-sided man as a presidency or whatever. Mm-hmm. If a president not do good, me tell you. If man do bad, me tell you. If thing they do good, me tell you. If him not do good, and we go there, and me see where I'm wrong, me's not a die-hearted fans, you know. Just like when I have die-hearted Labour right and die-hearted PNP. Stand up with the man. You read the message?
So basically, you don't vote for Kamala, but you say you vote for Trump. Because you feel like Trump will do a better job. And so far, you are telling me say you're proud of what Trump will do.
Of course, hell yes.
As a Jamaican.
Then listen, whether Jamaican or whatever, me proud of it, man.
Okay.
Because all you see this when me see my come with there, where me hear the people that I rebel about the visa issue. If you
married,
I visit that visa, you come, and within 30 days you have to register. If you see over 30 days, you have to register. If you get 5 months or whatever, you have to register in 30 days. Me not see nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, you know. Okay. A man, we have something to hide. I hide them something there. But what is the life? You have to do that, you have to do that. And where I say, you see, and a lot of people afraid of the truth, but the truth is the truth. You see a dog, you don't hide the stick and lick a dog. You must show the dog the stick that you clout him. You understand? And the man don't tell you already. If you come in a country and you do that, you go into jail and you get deported. So if you there now, and you do anything, and you know say you're going to do anything wrong, might as well you go along back here to make the long arm of the law catch you. You do where you do and go along where you run, go where you go. Because your foot not that too long for you run go nowhere, you must get catch. So that's basically it. And it don't make no difference with what go on America and what go on Jamaica. It's one good thing said. Jamaica law, there's no law in Jamaica. Because everybody can buy out anybody in Jamaica so long as you have your money. What we call filthy lucrats. But in America, you can't buy out nobody. Okay. You can't buy out nobody. Because no matter what you do in America, you cannot run from the law in America. Them give you time for you hang yourself. Okay. You understand? And you don't come like you're a kid that grew up now. All right. Remember when you go to school, right? You have some man and girl who go to school. Some bright, some don't. Some man bad, some not bad. And when them didn't know, and you did it. You the bright one. You want to be a soldier, you want to be a police. When a man start do film little shit now and him get caught up, in the life he come join the force and like he join the army, but what? He have a criminal conviction, he can't come. Who him blame? He not blame himself. He must blame other people. You can't do that. So that means if you're in Jamaica now and you're down there, you want to want to say, if you go up here and you come back to Jamaica and you know behave yourself. What I'm saying is that you behave yourself and you go up to Jamaica. Okay. You read it? All right. You go to Jamaica. And that is understandable. Because law is law. You read what I said, my king? Yeah. So we're good on that, man. We're nice, man. All right, my friend. Yeah, take it easy. Cool. Nice talking to you, man. Yeah, man. As usual. Cool. But all of them Jamaican, we are worried themselves. They don't feel worried. So long as you do the right, you don't have to worry.
Hold on, the guys. 1 minute there. Let me just have Simpleton. Simpleton, morning. Up on my phone with it.
Hello?
What go on? Me there, man. I mix up, boss.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me there on TikTok. Me I try to get one lady for you. What age you say you look?
40, 45, 50.
And you say if you work your money, what you gonna do? What you gonna do with the money when you're working?
I'm going to give you money.
Oh, okay. So they hear that, ladies. So when me tell them, they say, me have a farmer here, want a nice lady, and he say, him working money, he might give you money, make you count your feet to one. When you can find a man like that now in 2026? Eh? And none of them would say, let me try the man, I don't know a boy and all type of man with status or something. What do you want?
But you just premiered the man. You're not even advertised the man good.
That's why I call him. Someone a year or time out. How should I live again on Simpleton?
Man.
Westmoreland?
Yes.
Okay. You how much again?
48.
48. You're not getting the kids yet?
One.
Okay. And you say you're a farmer and you live alone, have your own house?
Yes.
Oh, you just need a good, strong woman for just balance and everything. Which way you want a woman from? Jamaica or foreign?
A nice foreign woman.
Oh, a nice foreign woman you want?
Yes.
Respect.
Jamaican girl, they just want money.
Oh, Jamaican girl just want money. Lord God.
Yes.
Oh, just be a money they want.
One experience
You
of
want to foreign woman that you can know say she alright and she can pay.
yes, man.
Alright, I see you go and say I can get somebody for you. Big up yourself, yeah?
All right, thank you.
Alright, my boss, take it easy.
Yeah, so the man talk, a woman we see that and a one that one man the rough one.
Yo, yeah, I
And
said
boy,
that. Morning, me G. Don't I bottom. What go on?
the over there.
That's the mix up, boss. Big up
Yeah,
yourself,
That's
man.
big
bro.
up. Where are you?
Just a tune into your program still, you know.
First time over here?
Yeah, I always listen to your program still, you know, always, but never really get connected yet before, you know.
Oh, cause people are cuss me over YouTube say me not get them to come on upon the TikTok. So me tell them say come over TikTok and join the conversation.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man, I listen to your program, and I
So you
really
want a
think,
nice woman?
nah, man, me alright, man, I'm good, man, I'm good.
You see it?
Big,
The whole of a good man them up as a gone. Papa Ray gone,
big,
Mr. Cool gone, and now you gone.
listen,
So where woman them
been
are
there,
now?
been there, done that, man, trust me.
Yo,
Well,
Fino.
a good man
Nah,
then gone,
listen,
brother.
Yes,
see
man.
me, when it come
For
on
real,
to
me like
woman
when you
thing, me
talk.
no
Who like
really,
good man then gone, for sure.
Yeah, let me hear him say that, guys. You
me
say
as
my
a
boss?
man, yeah, me as a man no really go after a woman like that, you know. Them always see me and like me and so forth. So sometimes it's better when somebody like you than you are run them down. You understand?
Big time.
Because in a long run,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes you get hurt. And a lot of times, in a place I know like New York, New Jersey, and it's better you try to be focused and work on yourself, you know. So most of them man though you say I try for look woman right now. I better them work on themselves, man. Just think about yourself, work on yourself, baby. And they will run after you, you know? So nah, hear ya.
Them
Nah,
saw woman, them saw a man for chase woman, so how that did I work for some woman?
uh-huh.
Them saw a man for chase woman. Cause enough woman you see a man and then go over to them, go like them. Cause you know Jamaican woman have that in them nature like that. Cause them grew up knowing man I see girls, so they used to man being chasing them. Unlike
Yeah.
foreign woman where you come over to you and say, hey, you look pretty cool, you know, I like you. Can I get a number?
I mean, in a some cases like that, it will work. But me as a man, there a long time, so it's like I'm more used to the women them up here than the Jamaican women them as such, you know. But some of the Jamaican women, the one them will just come and them a try to run down something, them a look something. Them now look genuine love, you know. Them a look a man for use.
Same
Yeah,
thing with it. One them will come from Jamaica and twice same thing. Woman them do it, me no want about them. One for used to.
yeah, them a
Yeah,
look
so
a man
vice
for use.
versa.
So as I said before, I better man just work on himself and be focused.
And
You
as
know.
I say, you have to say somebody love you, but mind out, the person you have to love you, you have to be a genuine person. You know? Don't wanna feel like somebody don't take it misconstrued and feel like say when the woman love you, you gonna come, you gonna, and then you know say it's a no good. No matter with that. Make sure say if
Yo,
the person says if the person genuinely love you and into you, you's a great person, a good person. And not someone for hurt them at the end of the day.
respect Joe. No, take me off. Never jump on the work. So,
For me, me not
All
think me
right,
jump
Mr.
there
Cool, pick up
again. I
yourself.
think it's
yeah,
about
man.
spirit tech and what you can do for me and what you can bring to the table. That's what me think I go on the road right now.
All right, so it come like yesterday, me day, and one guy say, from Canada, so he watching my program long time, and him have a sister, she's 37, she have a 10-year visa, and he would want me look somebody in Canada for her. So, right, that's when he said that to me, I said, well, she have a 10-year visa, me if you look somebody in Canada for her.
I look on that now.
That smell like a PR card opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm
And you
telling you
know
the
say
truth, Mr. Bro. Enough
She
man
she
never really sign up for that. That don't make no sense.
she definitely need help, man. She
all
need
right.
help.
Yeah.
And look on that door mix up, boys. You see in Canada now, a man less of a help a woman than a woman with you see a woman with quicker for help a man, Canada man now married so easy. You have to go dig one hole to trench him now do that because the moment him and them are start in a relationship, his mindset change. So it's harder to find a man
I Canada me there, so I know a thing is. Enough woman hard to find them get papers, yes, sir. A man now in split of that
True.
seconds.
But in
That's
the
true,
same,
yeah,
Cause
that.
when you say the same thing, Papa Ray says, and it's generalized when it comes to man, barely want to marry the woman, and a woman quicker to marry the man than a man
alright.
marry the
I know
woman, you know?
lie.
That's true. Because no five
Enough
woman them will
woman
get used of them. I look at you for example, Nelly. You buy a ring them. No five woman them all buy a ring them and I come down and I pay for wedding and everything. And the man just did it with nothing. If you
He
check
didn't
most
have,
of
he
these
didn't
cases.
contribute nothing.
Nothing. So I want most the one married for true. Oh, I need my
Exactly.
husband. I need my husband. Oh.
yeah. So when I notice when enough woman come here, sometimes I just tell them, you know, you could you go search you man, you know, you might find you go find man, but you might not find the husband. So the only option me could tell you, just tell you lesbian, you get it quicker. Man. I
Facts.
file for refugee and so
No,
on.
but Papa
You see,
Ray, the
because
man them
remember
do the
this,
woman bad, you know, because a lot of time the man them use the woman them and promise them dreams, you know, so them go
promise
help
them
them, you
it,
know.
mix up boss, and when they reach here, you know, say, I'm not bother doing no worry, you know. And then you did it, I see you
I
have your
wash,
hopes
I
up.
cook, I clean, I have sex with them, everything with them, I do everything for them, and them use them, yeah. And
Yeah,
in
so
the
it's
end,
harder.
it's
So he
hard
might
if
tell
your
you that,
woman get papers. Papa Ray,
he might, fi-
right?
That's true,
he
my
might,
thought,
he,
man. That's true,
he
my
might
thought.
figure the only, I probably might figure spend our money. And you might spend the money and the man might, you have to go pinch that money there, because the moment they give him half or all, he might change all the mind again.
You
So
would
no
not even
matter
feel
what
And
you
if,
bad for
give
you
him.
and if
give
they
the
want back
first
the money,
half.
he call immigration for you.
Call, you check, you know, you hear from him because you and him not going to live together, you know, because them are going to separate. So, me know, as things I see, I know
We get them
enough
straight into
woman.
one.
One time a girl come to me and say, yo, she want, me say, yo, listen to me. Find a woman, yeah? And she find a woman and married and get her paper. I tell her, yo, you could have plead to God. There's no man now go give you paper so easy as Canada. The moment they start have sex, that's it. The man, they not remember nothing about the paper again.
Exactly.
Unless that man is genuinely love you
Love you.
to the max where him
Wow.
know say, you see him I go the extra mile, you know say, all right, that man is serious and he want a family and he want a life. But if you just pick some of them man them don't deteriorate their mind from you say they want to marry that woman, bro. It's harder. That's why I will tell you, you have to try find other loops and crevices kind of get a paper with Canada. They're not serious, man. The man is not serious like Canada
That's
so
true,
easy.
man. Because women so easy to get over them country there, so them
It's
have a
easy,
chance to
yeah.
mess around and
Yeah.
play with the money and all of that. So that's
Exactly.
it.
Cause the same thing where you feel like you're gonna come with, him probably don't experience it and him probably can still go experience it. With that woman that have paper. Then when you come in know say, boy, then him realize say paper now him have to go do all of this and put you on him account and put you on this and him a say, boy, and then you have to go see how much money he make. Then he might have in his mind say, yo, the woman that we kill it, cause when the woman that divorce, I forget half of your say, nah, me not about to do this again.
It's
So it's
true.
a
A
lot
lot of
of
them
things in
they don't want
play.
to be
That people are
bothered. A
run
lot.
from now.
Right, man. Right,
Everybody
man.
are trying to protect them assets now, because people just walk in and come take you and gone.
The motive.
Gone with it.
Yeah, law mess up. That's where you go.
Really, it's hard if
Yeah,
your
man.
woman
Yeah.
get food than a man. It's
All right,
very
so me
hard.
about 15 minutes left. Me I switch it up to
All
single
right, mix up,
connection now. So
boss.
big up everybody.
Talk to you next
Yeah,
time,
Yeah,
man.
man.
man. Big
Big
up
up
yourself.
yourself, Steve
Yeah, man.
and
Enjoy
Papa
the
Ray.
program, man.
Yeah,
Talk
man.
to you
Follow
You
the
later.
need to
page.
bring up the single man them in the chat. That you
The
need to
good
do.
single man them wanna come up now, cause lady they want to me. Lady them
Yeah,
over
man. The good one, them, man. They want a serious relationship.
here. All right. All right. Come on, guys. Sit there. Come. We're single man them there. Come send in a request right now. To that Sunday. I can't do like when we do on Monday and so. Me have one more story to share, but I can't do it. I will just get one call. Me need to carry some stuff to give one lady. No. No, 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 no. So I say, all right, since me there with 200 odd person, let me get some people in the box right now. Somebody say, add me, all right. So one guy here. Remember add Brian, hold on. Let me add Brian. All right, come in and chat, Brian. See if we can get Brian or woman. Me send her the request or no. Mr. Waki, you sound like you have a story. If you reach out to me, man, wait. Listen to it all. Yeah. Well, go on, Brian.
But they ain't a mix up, boss. Yeah, go on with. Good
There,
morning,
man.
beautiful.
We're up to in the morning now.
Yeah, but they just there relax on the Sunday, you know.
Oh.
Me just did inbox you too, you know.
You just in back? Oh, me can't see it. Me I check when me done.
And me there listen to your program good while, like about over actually an hour still.
Mm-hmm.
Me there listening. You know me like how the young lady talk.
Which one? Melodon?
Yeah. I like how she talk, you know.
Yeah, the one tar?
Yeah, me like her. Me inbox her, you know.
Yeah, in. Oh, wow. Eh?
Me inbox her.
Well, and the one lady the pan say she want simple septan number. Well, and the me know. Well, and the me G. Me have to give septan number. More
Yeah, man.
septan bingo. I already rated this. Well, and the. Jeez, one woman really like simple bingo. Simple, you're rich.
But you
You're
not
rich,
do not.
you're rich, simple. All right, my friend, me I call out the number 854-2548.
Say it again, me put it in the chat. 854.
854-2548.
876, right?
Yeah, man, 876. But the number is 854-2548. Ratty, then can't tap simple again. Pin in I comment, Melly. Simple gone. Ratty, where them I go? Then can't tap simple. Simple to the world. Don't put up back simple picture. I don't think you can stop him. One simple on the app. Yeah, man. How simple there? Put up a general.
Simple gonna lead.
No, another one. The one there.
Because that's why you don't play simple dance.
Simple Tana. Big up my general. You see me? All courtesy I mix up bar show. So this is how I go on. Simple boss. Yeah, man. Why simple? By next month of this, me I go see up and look. By next month of this, me see up and simple. Then can't chat to you. What is under your nose?
I'm out.
Yeah. Then can't talk to your team for jet blue your thing the next month. See that? Yeah, man. One jet blue. Big up simple. Brian, I can't talk now. I just get carried away. That's how you're gonna feel, man. Yes, Alan and I, boss guy in the lead. Yeah, see the number there? Yeah, thanks, Alan. See the number there, I'm pinning 854-2548. Alright, see that? Yeah. Month, that's somebody I take simple number. Alright, so I say, you go. So, yes, Brian, talk to me now. Where say, the girl in the box, want her?
Yeah, me like how she talk, you know.
Yeah, how should I hear them, G?
Westmoreland side.
Right, I don't know if she will come so far.
We live close to Savlamar, like.
You have a visa? You ever travel?
No, I've never traveled before.
Not to come to town?
Yeah, me come to Kingston, man.
Oh.
I went to embassy a couple months back.
How would they say?
They turned me down. I did in a one little situation, you know, so that's the one I mean reason the first story. But the date was make and like I wasn't gonna go.
Okay.
You see they won't back date for me, so me just go. Eventually me did know me never will get you. Me share me life story a part of my life with.
No man, let's share it now. I don't want to share about like tomorrow, because I don't really have enough time. I just say I use up 15 minutes try.
Yeah, me and see Romy them, they are Canada, myself and the single ladies, they are Canada. Bring him up.
Hold on, let me see if his phone sound muffled. Oh, that's a Brian. Hold on. Which one today? Oh, Romy.
ROMI.
Hold on, let me see. Romy. Oh. Yeah, when I can get in for talk, you're a better film. Because people listen, then they type, them can say, alright, that I love how the guy the sound, and I love how the woman the sound. So that's how you go. Alright. So Brian, introduce yourself to Melina. Tell her you are.
Hi Melly. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good, I'm blessed.
Thank God. I'm good, I'm hanging in there.
Yeah, I was hearing your a part of your story, you know, conversation. And I like the way you talk and I feel your pain, honestly. And you sound like he's a good woman.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, man. Because to be honest, I know a whole lot of people go through a lot. And you have to have experience because if you don't have no experience, you cannot talk.
Yeah. You're not add Romy. Tell us Romy there Canada look at woman. You're not add him.
May I try adding, but him not. Him not. Him not.
MIXUP boss to turn to a dating show now.
Me I did last week. Me I do this. Yeah, morning.
Oh.
Hey Damien, how you doing, bro?
Me there, man. What go on? You want somebody?
And I Canada, me there, brother. Me there, in Brampton, bro. I live in Brampton.
Oh, Brampton. Who this? Romy?
No, this is
Man, I'm
humble.
man, bro.
Oh, so okay. So you want somebody in Canada, right?
Yeah. Cause nearer to me, you know. I'm a Jamaican, but I hear your story enough times. But a long time I follow you, know. But sometimes I just, you know. So I mean.
Oh, and you catch me on TikTok, you know. So you go, man.
Yeah. You never, you won't go that like
YouTube.
this is story and I go to people. So I mean.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So how old are you?
I'm 55, bro.
55, right? Perfect age of them woman they age of woman they want. All right, so 55, and you are living in which part again? Is it?
I live in Brampton, bro.
Brampton. Okay.
Yeah.
Near
Mississauga.
Near Mississauga. You need somebody in Canada or Jamaica or
No, I tried Jamaican, but it didn't work out, bro. So you know.
You want somebody who live in Canada now.
Yeah. Even my Jamaica, no problem. But I can't bother with the drama in Jamaica, bro. I'm telling you straight up.
Lord God, I read them story I go stop. Man say can't bother with the drama. You know, Jamaica.
Yeah, man, I use the fact, man. I wouldn't mind help somebody, you know. I wouldn't mind help somebody, but you know, I can't bother with drama and stuff like that. So I don't want to go into it, you know. So I mean, because ladies stood me up already and whatever, so I'm not going there.
Remember the 60-year-old man where the over so where the feisty? He look like him can match with she.
Which one is 60? Which one?
The one where they come on the show last week, man.
You're joking, man. About 5 man ask your number. Here, I'm at work. Enough of them are going to dead lonely like what somebody say. I don't care. Truth or truth. Because then come and waste people time about them.
And she did talk so proud.
And talk so bold. 4 man from England call for your number. I'm text lady and say, guys are asking for your number. Give me Damien, I'm busy at work. I will get back to you by weekend. All no, I tell the man and say, yo, know what you show here, man. You might hear somebody.
Yeah, man, some of them are play them, and some of them are
that's why they're single. They're a joker, brother.
Yeah, talk about one day about that up on the live and she just talk ball and them something there.
She said one.
Oh, Jesus.
She said one. I said she wants, so she not dating a young boy, you remember?
Mm-hmm.
One, she said one.
See, Flowers says she want humble. See, humble, you have a match.
Who want humble?
Flowers. Say, can I get humble man number?
Flowers. All right, let me add Flowers in I wonder where Flowers come from. The man say no want nobody from Jamaica, say no want to drama. So, when nobody call him and say, listen, I'm a different person. Let me tell you this. I just need my bills to pay and look at grocery. That's it. You don't have to stress yourself. You just send me $300 for the month and we're good. You man not depend that. Alright? Can I get Humble number? Oh, this is our work now. Humble.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, you're me go share your number now. I have your number on WhatsApp.
Yeah, you can add it on WhatsApp, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want you to talk out the number. You talk out the number.
I know she'll come my way night and day.
Hold on, music. Something chippy in a while ago. Hold on. Yeah, Humble. Yeah. Me did I tell her, I said, if you go in the inbox and inbox, I tell her.
So she can do that. You know, I don't want to give my number on the line.
No. What would I do? Make you give it out and then I give you my number.
Yeah, you can talk me on WhatsApp and send a number or whatever. So I mean.
And then you text me. I tell her, say, text me on WhatsApp. So if she call me, I just exchange it on the number. But I just make sure follow you. Follow you, man. But then I get him on
Where she is?
I wish part she there. Which part you the Flower?
I asked her, but she not answer it.
I hope I sound like a Jamaica she the man.
If a Jamaica is a no, bro, because I can't bother with drama, bro. I'm telling you the truth. I wouldn't mind help somebody now, but a lady stood me up already and whatever and stuff like that. Same now, nobody. I'm not go down there, whatever, all about whatever. So I don't want any drama.
You come here call Jamaican woman, I said thing like him and them Melly. You hear them say?
The man them are there, I did say it don't difference, you know, man and woman, you know, bro. I'm not putting myself out of it, you know, man and woman, that's what I mean. But I want somebody who is serious in Canada. I don't want a long distance relationship, I'm telling you.
I agree with him. I agree with him.
Save the heartache and the stress. I don't blame
yes, mommy. That's right.
Whoa. This is bad for your culture, though. It is.
Yeah, you know.
But
So, I mean,
them make
it's a
it
lot
bad
good,
and them do it to themselves.
This is bad. All right, Brian, here we are going to follow Melody down here and inbox her. Yes, sir. She replied to you, okay?
All right. I think I follow her already, you know.
Yeah, man. She going to reply to you. Just wait for her to link up, all right?
All right, then. All right, Melly. All right.
All right,
Yeah,
bye.
yeah, what the sound of my nose?
I'm out.
I'm out.
All right. All right. Yeah. So
So,
that's
what do you mean? How part in Canada are you there, bro? You're not going to give me the location, does?
Who, me?
Eh.
I'm not the Canada now. I'm the Jamaica now, man. Last time
Okay.
I come to Canada by French part, I did that.
Okay. Now, white people,
Yeah.
Well, I'm come down the next month in March, you know, but I don't tell nobody when I'm coming. I want to come there in March. In Jamaica. That's a vacation. That's like it 2 weeks.
And you the one
she said she has sent on flowers.
Oh, that flower scent, flowers. That is
She's from St. Anne's, but she used to live in a Brampton, where the man I used to live in. She said she used to live.
Used to?
Yeah.
Used to mean she live at Jamaica. Where's the time?
Yeah. No.
I want somebody over. I understand enough people are that they want now, especially overseas. They want somebody over there where they can even jump on one plane or jump on one. They just can't bother the Jamaica drama. I just like
man, it's a lot, bro. It's a lot, man.
Yeah, that's a problem. If somebody who did not send me a request, me accidentally cancel it. Request it back, please and thanks. So, one lady named Miss Unique, so she there in a Brampton, right? But Miss Unique, I can't add you.
But she not even have no picture, you know.
She don't have no picture. I don't even know if it's a fake account. That 8 people.
Yeah, because some people, I'm going to tell you, bro, you see some people come here with fake account and whatever, and some of them are scammers. So
scammers, that's true.
We have to be careful, bro.
All right, here we are going to humble. Because I don't want them going in your inbox and try mislead you. My number 2773254. Add me on WhatsApp. Or ring my phone. Anybody interested, me can give them a number.
All right, yeah, what you do, Damien, or whatever. Just put your number in your comment for my number and whatever.
Melly, put it up.
Why your number again? 876
277.
Yeah, just tag me on WhatsApp and send your number.
3254. So just screenshot your number when she put in a comment or just copy it and just send me a message. Just tell me say you humble.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because all type of people are going in your inbox now. You don't know which one.
You know, so I mean, they don't want to come speak on whatever. So I mean,
waste of time that.
Yeah.
So no one not answering me. Who is this? Lady Karen. Oh, Lady Karen, me not see a comment. We don't talk about the topic.
At $20 she a beg. Leave her alone. Next candidate. At $20. No joke. Read the comment. She a look $20.
Okay. We think she did that. All right, so somebody I'll come up in IQ. All right. We could get this person now. Morning.
Hello, pleasant morning.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. How are you?
Big up. You know, so this is unfair in life. Why people just make it bad for the other persons? We Jamaican not easy at all. When some genuine persons here dying to reach out and get somebody, then come and crush it and F it up.
You can't bother already, auntie. So you go.
I'm telling you, there's a lot of persons that inboxed me while I was on TikTok, and when corresponding with them, I realized they're Nigerian. They're telling me about some gift card and all kind of shit. It's like, yo, I tell you, man.
Them they all over viral, but you know we just business about our diaspora. Yeah, so that's how.
Those things are gonna make enough of us stay single because the genuine wanna try reach out, and I gonna know who genuine from who not genuine. You understand?
That is why the people them are got to dating in their country now. Them now come down and date nobody or whatever and take a chance again. So people can still find match, man. I just the right person. That's why we have internet and public platform where we can have and talk where they want. So that's how you go.
Yeah,
so basically you're not seeing nobody then, because that me really do right now.
It's like, I don't know, I'm confused because I've been trying. It's 7 years now I'm on TikTok. Since 2019.
Where are you?
I'm in Jamaica, really. I'm in Jamaica.
Okay. That's a problem now.
Yeah, I'm in Jamaica. And
I mentioned saying in Jamaica, the first thing I'm going to say, Western Union. You can't find somebody in Jamaica.
I try, but Even when I was corresponding with somebody 1 month and I was supposed to meet at Devon House. And until now, phone been ringing. All along it was ringing, but when to meet is a problem.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
Where am I now?
No, how old are you now?
I'm 55.
55.
And Monday gone again. I said, okay, let's meet again. And it's like, I saw this female on in DP and I said, wow, what a lovely DP. Just saying, yeah, it's my sister. I said, okay, keep it up. I just block and delete. I make it stressed out and fed up.
Oh, you say, what a lovely DP. You know, easy.
Yes. Then the DP look nice.
So the DP, they lovely for you?
The DP look, yeah, she look nice. Same time sister. So I say, okay.
Oh
don't think. Me say I'm not thinking nothing. I'm just saying she look nice.
That sound like one older man though. How old is this man? He look like one man and not take nothing serious.
Pardon me?
This man sound like one older man than you.
He's 47.
And a behave so?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Strange.
Full of story.
You sound like an older person that play around with have them woman.
Full of story. I don't know. Anyway, I hope him get somebody.
One day, if you download one picture of a Google and say, say, me try with her and work, but me have a niece. She really want somebody, and me say, I set her on pan because maybe I like her. I send her a picture. And hear me what I say.
No, man, I don't have time for that, but that's a waste of time. That's a waste of my time.
You know, I test it, man. You try something like that and you see.
No, man, I waste my time. I don't really have that time for waste.
I can't bet no young boy I look young.
I pay young, I can't bother neither. I want old person. I can't somebody the young people and the sport and the party and the whole heap of sex. Me don't depend that.
Yeah, that's all they're gonna get from the young boy. Sex. And you have to buy them weed and grab on them something there.
Yeah, and I need up and in and niggle, you know?
I need up and niggle.
Like they need a flower, bro.
Yeah. As I say, hello to me, I tell him I am not working, I do have any bank account. That alone turn them off.
Them gone.
Yeah.
Wow.
Tell him straight.
Well, guys, what's your name? I make you get a chance for something. Sometimes people watch back the broadcast and somebody might say and say serious. So I was 55 living in Jamaica. Age, what age you seek? From what age?
From 50 to about 65.
50 to 65. Guys, I know enough single big man over here. See you no matcha, grab her. A good man.
I don't want to idler. I do hairdressing, I do dressmaking. I do a little plumbing now and then. I might do a little tiling. I can do a little electric, not certified.
Hold on. You know, say I turn on humble man now.
Well, I can do a little technician because I can fix microwave. I can fix TV. I learned all of those from my brothers. I was born with 16 brothers.
I like that. God. You're multi-purpose. I like that.
So, therefore, I can't sit down and idle. Because I've been seeing my brother do mason work, plumbing work, and everything. So I have to catch on and everything. I was the only girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
And I am the sister, not boastfully, really, but I am the sister of the late Captain Barkey.
Oh, okay. That's a DJ.
So me can't idle, me can't joke. That ain't with the end.
Man, I really appreciate what you're doing, baby love. I wish you all the best and whatever. I really appreciate you. So I mean,
yeah
man. Big up yourself, man. And you will find somebody soon. Just give it, not rush it. And next time, make more them push in you than you are push. I'm just say that's why I push to this guy, and it could have caused disaster, red flag, all around.
God cause headache. I'm going to stress out.
Yeah, sometimes we only want somebody, but sometimes we push things too fast, and it causes problems. Thanks for the rose, sexy soul. All right, big up yourself, and thanks for participating. All right.
Okay, then take care.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Sexy stallion. Yeah, you want somebody?
No, I thought you were on the topic.
No, I'm off the topic now. Christopher, morning.
Let me come out then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
Hey, yeah, man. As I follow you from YouTube still, you know.
Okay.
That's why I feel comfortable if you come on TikTok. Like the second day I go up on TikTok now. I'm not really use it. I just start using it. Yeah.
Okay. I
follow you on YouTube probably 2 years now or something.
2 year. Okay. Yeah, man. Respect, man. Yeah. You know, we have to bring across it on TikTok. Or TikTok are the new trend now where everybody are do them content and try to bring it across and all them
And
thing.
that's why I come over, because I realize say more kind of more advanced. Are you me
And
really
easy,
talk about
friendly.
it?
Yeah, man. Easy, friendly, free. Anybody can use it. You just add your Gmail and your other and you put your picture, write up something, follow people, them follow you, put up on 2 video. If you want to talk about Jesus, work, anything, and that's it. And you scroll with your finger and see who they on live and your For You page and that's it. Simple. So I say you go. So you're single or you're good?
Me single man. I me just text you, you know. Me I show you say you know me, me and your correspond all the while. Me
Oh,
just
well,
text you up.
oh, right. Yeah, man.
Yeah
And this look
man.
like one foreign number. Which one you there?
And me man. Yeah, Florida me there.
Florida?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, Juman, you want? Oh, yeah, man. Me a text already and talk, man.
Me
See you,
tell
man.
her. Me tell her.
Yeah, man. Okay, yeah. Yeah, man.
Single.
Because
Me
you
not say
send
about
this.
my age, you know. Me 39. Me not say probably about 38 to 40. Me know say small, but I just yeah.
38, 40. Okay. Where you
Mm-hmm.
want the person from? Jamaica?
Also, me think Florida.
Florida?
Mm-hmm.
38, 40.
They say small, right? Melodon.
No, I mean, I think
Small
of
gap.
my age group that, but that's nice. So old are you?
Yeah, 39.
Okay, I go the age group that's for you.
Where
Yeah,
you live,
man.
Melodon? You live
You can
a
run with him,
Manhattan?
man. You can run with him, man. It's a good age that for you,
I live
girl.
at Jamaica, I live at Cayman's Garden.
Oh, okay. Jamaica, you're there. Okay.
You me dead to America, she live in.
Yeah, she
Maybe
absent. She absent, right? She absent.
she articulate herself pretty well. She do her thing.
Okay.
I mean, no, I see her on the program before.
Yeah, man. Charlie is the funny man. I'm a G.
She don't do a story, but me probably can't remember it. Me watch you all your thing then, brother. Me drive truck, you know, so that's all me do.
Oh, you drive truck. If I know she has something there, me have some people always over here. Me have like Dream Chaser. We're always in the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dream Chaser. If I know Dream Chaser, always Melly. Yeah, them two person always in the box are going do them thing. So you must hear them and see them on my show.
Yeah. But a real talk though, when I do America, especially me with the truck driving, brother, it take a lot from me. I mean, me hardly home more time. Me dey home now, but me hardly dey home. So that me think of that add to why me
yeah, because I go find somebody now. You have to drive on the road and I look and yeah, me understand.
I me have a one daughter, brother, and me devote most of my time to my daughter. You understand?
Oh, you not live?
No, she live with her mother, but anytime any chance me get, me go look for her.
Okay. All right, ladies, on the year for yourself, 30. You know, so me have one lady over here. One day, hold on there. You see her in the chat now, she going like she shy. I said her invitation. Maybe Anna could have make a link on me. I try her there. See if she
me then I think then I like you call like Miami area, not a little bit not a Miami.
Oh, not Miami area.
Like.
You know which part Chipley there?
Where is that?
You know where Chipley is?
Oh, somebody said put up a pic. Somebody said put up a picture.
We probably know. Me go put up a picture. Me send a picture. Anybody who interested, me can send them a picture. Me can face call her later, but or send her a picture.
I have a nice 47-year-old girl over here, but she said she busy to write it.
All right, then, man. I go drop no, bro.
Where is Chip? Chipley is what? What is that? A company?
No, Chipley, Florida. It's a part of Florida, another city.
Probably. Me Google map, you know. Me probably me drive truck. Me go everywhere in America, so more likely me know Chipley.
One woman against the world, so she interested. Which part you from? One woman against the world. Wait until you start drive truck and settle down. Hey, Cody, you're easy, you know. Oh my God. David, NSC, big of yourself. See ya. One woman against the world. Where you from?
In Melodon. Me not see no Chipley, Florida. Me just Google map the town.
I be a Jamaican one there, chat them and them.
No, one woman against the world. Where are you?
She said she from Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica. Oh, damn. MIXUP more want a woman in England, West Midlands. Jarted. There's somebody I want to put up. England, yeah. Me have only for England man who text me from my phone. Alright, I'm gonna put him up. Come in your box from top, bro. Me have only for English woman.
He's
I send you an
43.
invitation, Mr. Blaze. Just accept it, please. And come in the chat. Can't just in the chat say you want an English woman. Oh, she live in a, come and see the US flag. She live in the USA. But come in at the something them friend. Come in at the man say she really live in USA. Kinda make no sense if you don't live in America and you call the person them. You could have even show them pum pum picture, then still not going to trust it. Because they know
Yeah,
say
but it's a brother.
after a while it will lead to Western Union and money. It doesn't
Hey,
make any sense.
But
when
you
you
never.
show me, when the brother they just talk to, when you show him picture the other day, you know, man, me almost run the truck off the road and pay laugh, you know, man.
Which one?
The one with the just the 55, you my 55, the one you just show, man.
Oh,
Humble
Simpleton.
Simpleton. Yeah,
Yeah.
the man, when they show you picture to you, man, me say, yo, some gimmicks man a come with it. When they show you, they almost run the truck off the road.
I general one. I general.
But him find a woman though, Christopher.
Yeah, man do better than me.
That means I'm in there Jamaica as a farmer.
Oh, she's in Mount Vernon. Oh, and him there Florida. Then a good link that now. One little flight can get 1 5 fare 40, 50,000 fly down
Mount
Florida.
Vernon.
You can stay there after she now. Alright, tell her for WhatsApp me. WhatsApp me, my friend. WhatsApp me.
Me go text your number in the
Once you
chat.
WhatsApp me, I go see your number and see a foreign number. I mean, know the new flow era code, the 658.
So she don't want to come up, come talk.
No, she not have enough followers. Me I try add her. See there? Me know if she can send a request. See there? Me I try add her. See there? It'll show unless our profile private, unless it's private. 91 followers.
Why me come down? Why me come down?
Nobody can tell her come down. Not for them sure.
That's what Nicky. Nicky said we come now.
It's private. Oh, it's private. I don't know why people private them profile and up on social media. It just don't make no sense to me. Guy named social media. Where I hide?
You know what next thing with me don't know why, brother, me at 39 I pay a grey hair. Me don't know what the hell, man.
I have enough grey to me shave them.
The one man you say I have
but mine is a heredity, you know. Mine is
Gas say he's in Mount Vernon.
No, maybe I have family gene. That
yeah, I'm from my father.
Gas say he's 43 and him living in Mount Vernon there, man. He's a man.
Let me try add him here when I say somebody would have interested in him.
Right.
Just move from Mount Vernon. Sabrina. 2773254. Well, lady, if you're interested, text me. Me check my phone, Chris.
I'm gonna put the number in the chat a while ago.
Yeah, man, I get home on and I'm on.
Yeah, man. Hey, tell her what, me go cut me here and thing, but me go video call her later on WhatsApp. Let me tell you something I was link.
Send your number to send your picture
man, that
to.
Good man, just for me get the number and the lady link. You know,
you got me just text you, know, for sure.
No, man, you see text. Can you show me say I'm a top viewer? Can you show me when you talk?
Me I say, brother, me know everything. You RL come by your show.
You one of the top viewer on YouTube.
So yeah, you watch one of the pastor, man. You watch everything, brother.
She say you're too young. I'm sorry, Chris, you're too young. She's 48. So she not. They're 48. What you just say you want again, Chris?
Why if me margin small, brother, why but like me not like people too young or too old. My age, so like 30, what I say from 38 to like 40. You know, or you can't even go even 2 more years, 36 to 40 to 42, I guess.
36 to 42.
Yeah.
That not bad. And what the one lady come and say she want a nice woman for her father. I don't remember.
Oh yeah, me see.
She asked him there Jamaica, I'm 53.
Yeah. So mix up. You can't take me down. I go get a haircut and thing, you know.
This how Juliet text me. Juliet at Jamaica number. All right, Christopher, big up yourself.
Brian said he lives in Virginia and he's 64.
All right, cool.
Who?
Brian, he said he's 64 and he lives in Virginia.
Virginia, 64. I wonder where I look for. I'm going to look for 20-year-old or 30. And sometimes we don't know, so you might see age and excited, and then you take a stock to rotted.
Mr. Wacky say I'm 45 and I'm living in New Jersey.
Mr. Wacky don't want nobody, man. I'm not at Brian. Brian look like he's serious. Brian, 20 years, my senior, and could have been my father. Yourself, so you go. I reach a age that I feel good about myself.
Woman against the world, so she wants somebody for her age or look old.
Brian, I send you a request. You accept it, please. You look like you have to have, over 100 followers for it accept this thing there.
I know say you need 1,000 followers to go live, but me no think. I think once a person pays private, then maybe it's kind of hard to them, or maybe if them send a request, maybe we'll go through. I think that's how it works.
MIXUP, you need to start charge fee. No man, no man, I don't really charge. No, I'm good. No, I'm not charging, cause I'm gonna charge for somebody and then after a while, 2 week relationship breakdown and next thing come back say, more about my money, yeah.
You mean me for charge you a fee? Yeah, Kev, that can work. Me for charge you my fee, don't Kev? And that you mean for time?
My age and little old. Alright, so one woman against the world, 48-year-old. One woman against the world, text me, no man. I should say they are
She
firing.
said put up the box and I could add. She said put up the box and then she can probably add. And I know that works.
Who said that?
One woman against the world.
Put up the box. But I'm trying to do that. It's not accepting.
One woman against the world, take out the private thing off of your page and then just come on and then make it private back after you come off of the live.
Maybe she have too much man rush her, so that's why she just private it. I don't know.
So the man come up.
Hello, morning. Somebody text me, Villette. I wonder if this one lady I drive on van here. I wonder if she. I wonder if she just talking.
What's normal, dear?
Well, I'm simpleton text him. Hear him, I say. Right, it's simple bingo. You want to hear? Melly, you want to hear?
Yeah.
Simple bingo, man.
Yes, MIXUP, boss. The young and farm, you know.
Thanks,
You just come up back with the phone and to pick up good, you know, MIXUP, boss. So I sit and get a call from one with daily, you know. I will give my number, man.
Mark Fema 53 and Mackenzie
nice.
62.
Nice fine woman, you know. I'm going to talk to her and see how far you go, you know.
Aww.
Yes, man. Thank you. God bless you, man. Yes.
Aww.
Simple bingo to Ratted and Christopher, they are firing and can't bingo. You can't make up this. Eh? Man, bingo to Ratted. Lord God. And Christopher, they are firing and can't bingo. You can't make up this. It's come like as a Netflix thing to Ratted. Eh? General bingo. One simple time for the up. Can't well simple.
Yes, simple. You're gonna lead. Soon fly out on the JetBlue plane.
Want to invite me, I wouldn't too.
So Romy say my 36, him live in Canada. I keep telling him to come, but him say him not feel good. Him sick.
Oh, so my friend, I accept her. See her share did.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Yeah.
Be a joke, you know.
Yeah, man, great yourself.
Next time and they pam when they see me, I come. But Lord Jesus.
No, I mean funny wise, funny. No, not take me on one with your badness.
Look here. Now feel that you pretend you have a nice ear. Me know we pop off your ear and beat you. Don't feel so. You're trouble me. Hi, darling. Good morning. Hi, handsome.
Hi, morning. What's up? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm doing great. Just here trying to give some people companion.
Yeah, you look handsome as ever today.
Oh, thank you. I have a haircut yesterday, so I might look a little bit more fresher than usual.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I see the head, you know, like your head bald that way. You know, me
Yeah.
can just run my finger through your head and rub you when you're having an headache.
Actually,
Yeah.
for real, nice.
Don't call me no grandma, Kev. Me and your mother never got to school.
So,
Don't call me
so
no
you're looking at a
grandma.
comment. Concentrate for me, man. You're looking at comments.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah. Not take on
Oh, you're
everybody, man.
gonna
We're good,
work
man.
out. You work out, darling.
Huh?
You're going to the gym. You
Yeah,
exercise.
yeah. May
You
start
go.
gym. I'm if I go
Yeah,
back. Try.
I can sight that big muscles on your right hand. Ooh, ooh, stop it now, damn. Melo, you alright?
Yes, my good.
Melo, tell me you're alright, baby, you alright?
Yes, me alright, my dear, my good.
Alright. Cause when we see them muscles, you know, girl, we can catch a fire.
Me dear.
Ooh,
Trouble there.
my girl. Oh, damn, what?
Well, I sound like are you there in a wheelchair? I don't wanna go answer. Hey, what you doing?
No, look for your muscles.
Oh, can you sound like a something else? Yeah, I do. Okay.
No, but mother, I do not that no excitement for do not else.
Okay.
Look here,
Oh.
you think that's so my nature weak? My nature stronger than that, man.
One thing, look at police and the soldier man, they still a fight over you.
Well, to be honest, me this squashy drama. My still I talk to the police, but my friends own him. And the soldier man still a wiggling and me wiggle, you know? So yeah. Yeah.
My dear.
Walk your mouth, you catch fly.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm
Yeah.
going with it. You good otherwise though?
Yeah, man, I'm good otherwise. No, just want to make sure you alright.
Yeah, man. I'm good, man. That's how I go and hold
Yeah.
it, you know. You
Yeah,
know, say every
yeah.
time I company live, you always come with me here for come off.
Come in and know what make every time you see me up here on me.
No, man. Me there a long time, man. Me there from 9 o'clock. I
Let me
know.
tell you something. I already have you. You see, you not have to run from me.
Me know,
But that
darling. Me
got
have it
you
too.
already. I want to you, man.
Me know. I want wheelchair badness now.
So far,
Brawling.
you're there.
Brawling pan the app. One of them
I
day
wish,
I link you may play 2 games, yeah?
yeah, but I want to know which one you're there.
Me there,
America.
me there Aruba.
Where there?
Aruba.
And that's up on Earth, right? Up
Yeah.
on Earth. Okay.
Yeah.
You speak any other different language?
Me speak French. I'm speak some for you.
Damn French, you have to listen to me. If you speak French to me, you have to sit up and look handsome. You have to get in that sexy zone. You know that? Ooh, damn boy. Ooh. Lord, one hand make a turn on the fan, Jesus. When I get hot, so all of us do the one hand, daddy, one hand. We are there.
Weak. Murder.
Turn on the fan, darling. Turn on it. Bad God.
Beg them kill the guy sort up for me, cause it's too much. One hand there. Sister, beg a little eye sort of there, Jesus God. Ooh,
Alright.
one hand.
I tell you. But one wheelchair badness, man. Big up yourself, man, and thanks for participate, man. Zin?
It's my pleasure. Come
I
on,
appreciate you and take it easy. And everything
sit
will be
down there,
alright.
darling. Time to talk because
No problem, man. If I see you send a request, I go accept it.
Bye, one wheelchair badness.